And the drill
But all it would take is a human hair to move one of those notches on that needle.
Woo.
Wow, eh?
3,000.
Precise.
So it's precise to 0.003 of an inch all around. And this is the kind of data we want to see. You know, this answers some questions.
It's like it's not impossible to replicate or make something like that today, but you're definitely using power tools. Like you're not, and it's going to take a lot of time. Like, and the smallest little like chip,
who was going to do that?
Start all over.